Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of one of Nobo's coolest campers. It is the 2023 No Boundaries 10.6, and this little guy has no bathroom, no shower, nothing like that. This is a small kind of get it done on the off the beaten path unit, but you have a pop-up tent that folds down to about 1.5 feet tall. You're also going to see that it's got a really nice canopy as well for a good little shaded area. And it comes with really everything that you need, to kind of get the job done, including a cooktop, an electric 12-volt cooler, all that good stuff. But today I'm gonna take you around on the outside portion of this tour first. I usually start there on the inside, but truth be told with this side, well, you know what? I'll probably just go and do it kind of, as I please, I suppose. But new to 2023, the No Boundaries changed. A couple other decals here on the side, including their lettering, but the big one is this beast mode suspension, and you'll see it right down here with this kind of burnt fire orange that they got going on. So this sits up much higher than it did in years past, and they're also, it's axle-less, so they're independent axles right there, independent suspension system. So it's a really nice, sturdy ride as you're going. Each wheel kind of acts independently if you're hitting potholes or anything like that. This is this nice little shaded area. All of this in total probably took about 20 minutes to set up, maybe 25. And I'm not overly experienced with it, so I bet once you got the hang of it, it would be extremely easy. One of the other things that they changed for the 23 is a ramp extender. Since they did raise up that with the new suspension system, they put on this little lip to give you more of a gradual, incline if you guys are putting in dirt bikes, or anything like that. I guess while I'm up here, might as well start off with the inside, actually. I guess I'm a liar, but that's okay. It's a good reason. So you can still get an AC on this unit if you would like. Obviously, this customer did order it with the AC, but you can also get it AC-less if you do not need it, don't want to pay for it. It's probably about a $500 option. I think it's money well worth it. That thing's a 13,500 BTU AC, so it would turn this thing really into an icebox. They also did get a little lighter on the cabinetry, but you're going to see you have a little TV with some storage there back in the back with a little mesh netting so things don't fly around on you. Then you also have a little bit of storage up here to the left. That's going to be your fuse box, a couple outlets, and then your USB ports. And then that box is for right out here with some storage and your little portable sink that you can put on. You're also going to have tie downs for all of your toys. There's going to be 4 of them here in this unit. Again, the 2023 Nobo 10.6. All these specifications will be down in the description of the camper. This is one of the first ones out in the country. That's why it says TBD, to be determined. It has since been determined, and that info will be down in the description. Also, if you guys like RV videos, if you guys could, please hit that like and subscribe button. I would definitely appreciate it. The door's got 2 parts. You got your screen with a little slot that opens, and then you got a window right in here, for some natural lighting if you would like. Couple outlets and a place that you can put solar. So solar on the side, it's rated for 20 amps. That way you can plug it in, keep the lights on. It won't run the AC or anything like that, but it'll power up the rest of this camper, no problem, seeing that it's with its size. Manual stabilizing jacks. There is not an option for the power jacks, but these are a little bit sturdier than the electric. Buy yourself a little, drill with a little bit on top, zip it down and no problem. For the 23 versions, they also, part of, there's the beast mode package symbol right there. I think that's pretty neat. But they went ahead and opted for the Goodyear tires, so that's a nice upgrade over last year's. And they also got, the little knobs with an attachment that you see here, for the tire to give you kind of like a little step up. And then right here, you got a place, that way you can kind of get on top of this camper, unscrew stuff, get this Batwing awning, up and out, with relative ease. This is that door, that little metal box that I was showing you. It's got a magnetic latch here over at the end, and then you have plenty of room for storage. More storage right here. And then you got your Rhino Rack quick mount leg set. So that goes on top of the camper. And then you have your spray port, so you can get some water. This is your Truma cooler. Again, it's a 12-volt cooler. And let's see here. How in the world does this thing unlock? There it is. Opens up right there from that side. So that's pretty nice to have. Really heavy duty. And then right over here, you got an area where you can set up a couple burners, you know, cook out some burgers or anything like that. They even got a little drink over bottle opener. Little storage there underneath. This is hooked up from the quick connect right there, which is going to be right here. Both of them are attached to your propane tanks. Makes it real nice and easy. Part of buying here also, you will get your propane tanks full. We'll provide you with a battery, you know, and you're good to go. Up on the front, you have your power tongue jack. And then you have a battery disconnect right here. Cable and satellite connection and your city water connection. And then you also have another spare tire. Again, this one's going to be by Westlake.
On the other side. I can check the website.
And then above right here, this is where you're going to have your tent. So you got this nice heavy duty ladder going up top, and let me show you this. So you can definitely sleep an additional, you know, 2 people. Again, very easy to set up. And then it also comes with a bag right here that you can put, you know, some dirty shoes in or what, you know, what have you, some of your dirty clothes as you're climbing up before you actually get in. Side access door. So 2 doors here. Opens up. Again, this has the screen and the window, much like the other side. And this is where you're going to be plugging in the camper. And you also have a little vent that you can open up, you know, for some extra air streaming through. And then you have the Winegard Air 360. That's going to be for, you know, your TV. But I think that about wraps it up, guys. Real simple, quick tour for you. Again, it's the 2023 No Boundaries 10.6. Give you one more quick little walk around, so that way you can kind of see it again. It's small enough to do that. All right, guys. Well, my name is Hunter. Hope you guys like and subscribe. See ya.